Hello everybody! Today we are going to make our objects have edges. More specifically, have more of a 3D edge look to your object. So right now, I have just this plain shape. This technically a beanbag chair, but even still, it doesn't have the outlines that I really wanted for a room. So in order for us to do that, we need to make sure that we select our original object as so, and then the next step that we're going to need to do is press Shift D, and then so that we don't move it around, just press Enter, and we just now created a duplicate of our object. Now we're going to recall this wireframe because this will allow us to create the outlines for this object. So, next thing, we're going to need to go to the modifier tab, which is right here, and then we're going to have to click add modifier, go to generate, and then go all the way down to wireframe, and then it makes our wireframe for us pretty much as to the original object as much as possible. So, yep, now you can also change the thickness of it, such as if you want it really thin or just non-existent, there it is. Or if you really want to make it thick, you can make it thick too. Let's just keep it at 0.014, and let's say that we wanted this to be more outside of our object. Like, instead of it being conformed inside the object, let's say that we really want it to be like just sticking out on the object rather than like being conjoined together. So you can do an offset of 1.0, which would just be outside of its original positioning, or we can do negative 1.0 and it will hide inside of its original object. So yeah, we can also do boundaries. Doesn't really do much. We can turn off our evens, and if we turn off our evens, it will actually cause some of these wi- wires or just edges to be either thin or thick, depending on where it is. And you will see the changes whenever I do it. So it changes out. Relative stays relative to the object as much as possible. Increase edges and material offset, but we aren't really going to mess too much on that. But anyways, that is a quick tutorial on how to make your edges into 3D edges. Makes a lot of cool projects, but yeah. Hope to talk to you guys later, and I hope that this tutorial helped a lot. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye.